Hi, this is my third attempt at finishing this video because my kids were here and being very distracting. Um, Today I'm talking about the role of assessments in career and transitional counseling. And I remember being in high school and doing tests and assessments, personal ones in like a group setting, where the counselor would come to the classroom and give us some sort of aptitude or strength test. I don't remember what those ones specifically were, but the idea is that by helping individuals recognize some of their strengths and their weaknesses or some of their areas where they generally exceed, it helps them to understand kind of an idea of what roles they can go into and give them an idea of maybe a profession they hadn't even considered before. So by understanding where your skill set lies, you can help hone in on some areas that you might be interested in. And I remember that being just a really terrifying area of life. And to be honest, I'm 31 now, almost 32. And I've lived abroad. I have kids. I have worked in the field for 7 years post-college. I've been a stay-at-home mom now for 4 years. And I've just found out what I want to do. So especially for someone that's 14 or 15 or 16 or 17 in high school, it's a lot to try and think of what you're going to do for the rest of your life. So this is just a way, some assessments are a way to help kids have some clarity or at least have a starting point, somewhere to jump off from and say, okay, now I can recognize that I'm good in math or science, or that I'm good with interpersonal relationships, or I'm good at this. And I can look over here and say, here's some suggestions of what you might be interested or might be good at. So specifically, there's some examples would be Holland's self-directed search, differential aptitude tests, or learning style inventory. That would all kind of lead you in the same area to figure out how you learn, what your strengths are, and look internally at what you might be interested in. So those are some examples. The other thing we were supposed to address today is include the district and school you plan to conduct your interview for the interview paper. I've already submitted mine, but I did it in San Diego Unified at La Jolla Elementary. No, Lafayette Elementary. So yeah, that's what I have to say about this. Thank you for your time.